Hello everyone! Is your car acting up, shifting roughly, or going into limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0701, Transmission Control System Range, Performance, it means your car's Transmission Control Module, TCM, has detected an issue affecting the automatic transmission system. In this video, I'll explain what P0701 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's dive in. What is P0701? The P0701 trouble code stands for Transmission Control System Range Performance. Your vehicle's Transmission Control Module, TCM, is responsible for monitoring the transmission's health. If it detects that one or more transmission parameters are out of range, it triggers P0701 to alert you of a possible failure. Important: this code alone doesn't pinpoint the exact problem. You'll need to scan for additional transmission-related codes to find the root cause. Common symptoms of P0701. Check engine light on transmission. Warning light on harsh, delayed or slipping shifts. Reduced power mode, limp mode. Decreased fuel efficiency. Possible stalling or jerking while driving. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the key components involved in the P0701 fault. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them. To diagnose P0701, you need to check these important transmission components. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location, usually mounted on the transmission housing, near the engine bay, or under the dashboard. Function, controls gear shifts, monitors transmission sensors, and ensures smooth operation. Transmission Range Sensor, TRS. Location, on the transmission casing near the gear selector linkage. Function, detects the current gear and sends data to the TCM. A faulty TRS can cause shifting issues. Input and output speed sensors location. Mounted on the transmission case. Input speed sensor, ISS, measures engine RPM before entering the transmission. Output speed sensor, OSS, monitors how fast the transmission sends power to the wheels. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. Location inside the transmission or on the valve body. Function, monitors hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifting. Low pressure can cause shifting problems. Shift solenoid's location, inside the transmission valve body. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure to engage different gears. A bad solenoid can lead to rough shifting. Transmission fluid temperature sensor, TFTS. Location, usually found inside the transmission pan or on the transmission cooler line. Function, measures fluid temperature to prevent overheating. Wiring and connectors location runs between the PCM, TCM and transmission sensors. Function, transmits electrical signals to control shifting. Damaged wires can disrupt transmission operation. Common causes of P0701. 1. Faulty transmission control module, TCM. A defective TCM can misread sensor data or fail to control shifting properly. 2. Dirty or low transmission fluid. Contaminated or insufficient fluid can cause overheating and poor shifting. 3. Malfunctioning transmission sensors. If speed sensors, pressure sensors or solenoids fail, the TCM may trigger P0701. 4. Wiring issues. Corrosion, broken wires or loose connectors can interrupt communication between the TCM and sensors. 5. Internal transmission problems. Worn clutch packs, valve body issues, or a failing torque converter can also trigger transmission trouble codes. How to fix P0701? Step 1. Scan for additional transmission codes. Use an advanced OBD-II scanner to check for other TCM-related faults. Step 2. Inspect transmission fluid. Check the fluid level and condition. If it's dark or smells burnt, replace it. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or loose connections at the TCM, sensors, and solenoids. Step 4. Test the speed sensors and solenoids. Use a multimeter to check resistance and voltage. Replace any faulty components. Step 5. Reset the TCM and test drive. Clear the code with a scanner and see if the issue returns. Ignoring P0701 can lead to serious transmission issues, rough driving, and expensive repairs. Fixing it early can save you time and money. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0654, Engine RPM Output Circuit Malfunction. P0655, Engine Hot Lamp Output Control Circuit Malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.